A hurricane coming, so I just bought this bad boy for about $700 at Costco, and I gotta put it together. And here's the wheels, here's the oil, and it even comes with an LP hookup. And we're gonna go through all that in a minute. All right, so anyway, I gotta open this bad boy up. All right, so anyway, it comes with a set of tools. So we're just going to go ahead and open those up, spread them out here. So this is supposedly everything that we're going to need to put these tires on. And we're going to need all this stuff. Take a look at it. So we got these, 2 of these. So we got 4 sets of everything that we need. There's only 2 wheels, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. So that works that way. And to put the wheels on, what I'm going to do is I'm going to lift this thing up and I'm going to slide this baby under it. And luckily I've got this, so I've got a good wedge here. I just got to get that underneath there. And so I'm going to get it lifted up down here. I want to get it right there. Oh, shoot. Bam. Perfect. I'm going to push it out a little bit so I can get the wheels on. Hopefully we got most of the weight. But this is where I got to put the wheels. So basically to set this up, what I've got is, this is the axle. It's got a washer. It's got a cotter pin. So first, what we got to do is we got to get the cotter pin out of there. So we separate the cotter pin and set it right down there. Then you've got to take the washer off, and then what we're going to do is we're going to set that right through there like that. Then it's going to go in here. It's going to slide right in there. So I have to move this a little bit this way just to get that first one on. All right, so pretty simple. I'm going to take this, all right? I've got to get it right through there. It just goes right through, just like that. Then these two, I'm going to put this on this side. So this is going to go there, and then I got to push that cotter pin right through there. And there's the cotter pin. All I got to do is just push it, and bam. We're on. We're locked in there. See? Right, not too bad. It's pretty easy. And now we got that wheel on. So now we got to move this. We're going to put the other wheel on. All right, so now I just got to shift it a little bit. And we're going to get that other wheel on there. To do that, I'm going to lift it. And now I do believe I've got enough room. So let's bring you over here so you can see where the other wheel is going to go. First things first, got to pull the cotter pin out. Got the cotter pin out. Set it there. Set down our washer. We're going to take our thing, slide her through there, ready to go. Come over here. This is going to push right through. Bam. Going to take this and this. Going to slide it on. We got to slip this over it. Make sure I got it pulled. I'm going to turn it a little bit. See the little hole there? See, there's a little hole right there. And all I got to do is push it right through there. So the cotter pin is going to slide right in there. Just got to give it some push. Bam, it locks right in. And we're on. So this one's on, and this one's on. So now our Firman 496cc OHV is ready for movement. It's going to back it off a little bit. See how our wheels work. Okay, not bad. We're going to pull it out here. And let's just go ahead and set her down here for a second. All right, got to put this on the very front. All right, so anyway, if you don't know how to do it, it's got these instructions right here. But it's pretty simple. This part here is going to go here, right? And then we're going to stick this baby right through there. That's the thick one. Thick ones go on here. The smaller ones are going to attach to the actual generator. All right, so we want to put this one, we're going to put through here. Here it goes, like that. Then we're going to come around. We're just going to roll this baby on there. That's it. That's all you got to do. Then we got to tighten it down after. And we do have 2 wrenches to do that with. They gave us 2 wrenches. Get the other one. Break her apart. So I'm putting the head through this, and then I'm sticking it through here. And then I'm going to come around here, and we're going to put it right on there. Just like that. And then to tighten it down, we've got, if you got a socket set, that always works, but it looks like they gave you, you know, what you need here. This here is going to tighten it. So you got to put one here, which goes like that, and then you're just going to tighten this bad boy this way. So you hold it there and wrench it. Righty tighty, lefty loosey. As you can see, it's getting tighter and tighter. Hold that baby there and just tighten this down. Pretty simple. I'm going to get it good and tight because you don't want to have it coming off on you. Okay, that one's on there. Okay, now we're going to just flip over here. Do the same thing on this side. Get her nice and tight. Nice and tight. Alright, that baby is nice and tight, ready to go. But that's how it sets. And then we got to put these babies here. We're going to go through. They're showing going from bottom up. So they want us to do it like this. And then we're going to tighten this on there. So we're going to do that right now. Anyway, there's a couple spots here. Here's one here, and there's one right about there. So we're going to try to get that underneath there and set it down on that. And then we're going to go ahead and we're going to tighten her down. And hopefully we won't hurt ourselves. I think I'm going to do is I'm going to bring it up on its back here. Kind of just an easy this way. That'll maybe set it right like that. Real slow. Yeah. Now I can get at it pretty easy. So now I got it here. And we're going to go ahead and put this bad boy on. Shouldn't be too hard. And then we're ready to rock. Alright, so this is going to go under here, like that. And push that through. And then we're going to come right in here. Bolt comes through. Then I'm going to reach in under here this way so you can see. I'm just going to tighten it down. And then we're going to use the put that one in. See if you can see this one here. So I'm going to go ahead, slip this so you can see. So hole here. I'm going to push that through there, just like that. I'm going to hold it there. And then you're going to see it come through over here. Then I'm going to come underneath and I'm going to screw that on. Now when you buy this thing, it doesn't have any oil or anything in it, so we should be okay doing this. So just so you can see it, there they are. So that's on there. Now what I got to do is I'm going to come and I'm going to put the wrench on them and tighten it down with a wrench. So we got our 2 wrenches, and just got to get one in here just so it holds it. And then we're going to go righty tighty, lefty loosey, and just tighten this bad boy down. Mosquitoes.
Oh.
They're eating me alive.
How much do you have to do to set this up, honey?
I'm doing it right now. Almost done.
Is it a lot?
Nope.
Okay.
No big deal.
Nice.
I'm going to put the wrench on this one, and we're going to go ahead and tighten that baby down too. So righty tighty, lefty loosey. Just remember that. And it's nice that they gave you these 2 wrenches because I can use these wrenches. There's $700 for the wrenches. I don't know. Let's get you over here. Let's see exactly what I'm doing. Got the 1 wrench under it, right here. And then I just take this one here, get it on top, and I'm just cranking it. You want to get this on tight because it's important to have it tight. All right, that should do it. All right, I think we're ready to rock. And I'm going to move this out of the way. And we're going to pull it right back forward here. And when it gets about right about there, I got the weight on it here, so I'm good. And then I can just go ahead and set her down. And now it's level. So it has to be level for you to run it. You have to put that on. So you want to make sure that you got it level. And that looks pretty good. Let's go ahead and get a level on it and make sure. This Firman Dual Fuel comes with this owner's manual. And I highly recommend that you read it before you do anything. Make sure you understand how to use this thing because I blew one up last year. And you don't want to blow this brand new $700 monster generator up on the first day out and not have any AC. All right, or not AC, but cooling for the rest of your house. So we're going to go through that and then we're going to set this up and start it up. All right, peace. All right, I'll be following up with more videos on how to use this thing with LP and gasoline later. But if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos on how to do stuff I've never done before. And now I've got to get ready for the hurricane. So peace out.